Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain about the model viewports and the viewport configuration on the palette. You can observe the single and the double and the named and join and restore. I will explain this tutorial, and let's get started. After that, you can observe the different types of single and the double. You can observe the viewports, different types of viewports. You can observe on the viewport configuration styles. You can observe on the Auto-Cad files how you can use this viewport configuration, how it will help to draw the drawings. I will explain this tutorial in detail. And the viewport configuration are very helpful to draw the drawings in a fastest way and to grow the drawings in a different models. These viewport configurations are very helpful. And go into any of the object of the file. This is the image file. I am copying the insert the image by using the copy and paste option simply, and copy the paste on the file. You can observe I am selecting the two viewports. You can selecting if you want to draw this on the inside of the rectangle, the shape. This is very helpful too. It will adjust the drawing. You can replace the drawing with the end of the files, and you can draw the files in the fastest way without opening any of the PDF and the image files. Simply copy and paste any of the file you want to see and draw the same drawing into the Auto-Cad in that file. This type of viewport configurations are helpful. See, I want to selecting the different types of files. I want to draw any of the drawing in detail. You want to zoom the file. You want to draw this. You want to zoom this. On the first, I want to zoom the second file. You can observe. I want to on the same file you can draw any of the total drawing by using this image format. I want to check by using to save the time. This type of viewport configurations are very helpful. I want to draw this in the rectangle, this shaft. This is very helpful without opening any of the PDF files. This viewport configuration on that file, you can draw the file without opening any of the new files on the Auto-Cad, without creating any of the new files on the Auto-Cad files. This is the named, and the viewport configurations are completed. You want to create the new viewports as compared with the previous. Different types of viewports are available. You want to create the new file as your wish. You can create as your requirement to create the named viewports. It is available on the named viewports. How to create the new file, I'll explain. And go into this dialog box. You can appear the viewports after clicking on the named and name viewports, and see the viewports are there. You want to give the new name. For example, I want the new file, because I'm giving the new, and click on below. You can have the different types of display options. You want to give the display and the setup. I want to give the 3D. I'm giving 3D. I'm giving the new current. And you want to the visual style, different types of, you want to hide and require 2D wireframe, the 3D wireframe. I'm selecting the 2D wireframe. See, simply click on the name and the named viewports. You can available the new file what you created. Activate model configuration. On the activate modification on the below, you can observe the new file and the name format. Simply I will explain the new and click on OK without changing any of the default. I'm click on OK. You want to go to the new file and click on new and click on OK, because it is see, the new file is open. This is the new, because the current display is selected. You want to create the new file, then without any of the drawings, the new file is created. This you want to delete the file, you can delete by using the right click and delete the option. You want to join all of the viewports as drawing is on making on the drawing. You want to join all of the viewports. All of this. See, the 4 viewports are all of these are showing on the figure. You can join the objects, and simply you can observe on the command line, select the domain viewports. Current viewport configuration is asking viewports, and click on any of the object and click on 2 objects and click on enter. It is join the 2 objects to 1 object. Nothing but two viewports are converted into the 1 viewport. You can observe on the join. See, simply click on the first object and second object and click on enter. It will join. You want to restore any of the objects, you can restore option is available on the below. You can observe the restore option with undo. Like this you want to restore, you can also restore like this. See, the 4 is available, with the different types of top view and the front view are also it is showing. Then the right and top view, front view and the right view and the side view, different types of views are also in the viewport configurations is available to draw any of the drawings of the viewport. These viewports are very helpful for the isometric view drawings. Isometric view drawings have the different types of views and the top view, side view and the right view. Already explained in previous tutorials or the different types of practical tutorials about isometric drawings. You can also check my previous tutorials about the isometric drawings in my previous tutorials, and I will explain. I already explained how to change the viewport in detail on the viewport. This is the basic tutorial for the beginners.